Hello guys, and welcome to another video today. In today's video, I'm going to share the step-by-step process of how you can start a small-scale delivery business in Nigeria with zero skill. So if you have been looking to start this business and you don't know the steps to follow, or maybe you need some clarification for how to do the business, then this is a video you should watch to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you the entire process and the most important things that you really need to succeed in this business. And in case this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I want to welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online, and I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video proper, one thing I'll say is try as much as possible to watch this video to the end without skipping a thing, because if you skip, you might miss out on the important information from this video. And also kindly support me by liking this video and make sure to turn on the notification bell. Make sure to subscribe also. All right, so let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how you can start a small scale delivery business in Nigeria with zero skill. Now, one thing you need to know about starting a logistic delivery business is that you can actually succeed in this business if you can learn quickly, if you can implement, and if you can leverage on the available resources that you have. Okay, so what exactly do you need in this business? What exactly do you not really need in the business? We're going to look at that. Now let's talk about what you don't really need to start the business. Number one, you don't really need to register the business from the onset. Now I've heard people say, okay, we have to register the business, we have to do these documents, we have to do this and do that. Now if you're to start and probably you don't really have enough money, maybe you're starting on a low budget, you do not really need to register the business from the onset. Why am I saying so? It's not that you don't need to register the business. You should register the business if you have a lot of money on you. But if you don't have money on you and you are starting with low budget or low capital, then you can bypass the process of registering the business from the onset. Why am I saying so? Sometimes you might be thinking of registering the business, and while you're waiting, time is going and you may not start the business. So you can bypass that process and start the business. Then along the line, you can raise money and reinvest that money into growing the business, into registering the business. So if you want to start and you don't have enough budget, you can start the business without registering. Okay, that's one. Number two, you don't really need a bike to start. Remember, I was talking about if you don't really have enough money to start, you can actually partner with people that have bikes. Okay, there are some people you might know in your church, in your school, in wherever you are. There are people that have bikes. You can partner with them and start the business. All right. Another thing you don't really need is a physical space. Maybe you might be thinking, or maybe someone has told you that you should rent a space. If you are on low budget, you don't really need to rent a space before you start. You can create a website, a simple landing page where people can actually come and place their order. All right, I'm going to talk more about this later. So what exactly do you really need to start this business? What are the major things you need? Number one, you need a business plan, a very, very good business plan. Why am I talking about a business plan? A business plan is actually a document that will give you direction for how you are going to run the business. With a business plan, you are going to have an idea of how you want to generate money into the business, how you want to fund the business, how you want to operate the business, what are the strategies you want to use to grow and scale the business. Apart from all this, a business plan will help your investors. Just in case, let's say for instance, you are growing the business, you have started the business, and along the line investors start coming to your business. With a business plan, you can actually get more funds, you can get loan, you can get investors to invest into your business. So imagine that there are investors that are interested in your business. If you have a business plan, it's going to help you, prove to them that you are actually serious about the business. And if I'm an investor and I'm seeing your business plan and I have the money to invest, I'm definitely going to invest in your business, because to me, it shows that you're actually serious with what you are doing. We are seeing a business plan. We are seeing how you want to grow the business. We are seeing your strategies on the business plan. A good investor that believes in what you do will definitely invest in your business when they are seeing a business plan. Another thing you need is a website. All right, you need a website where people can actually come and place order. All right, they can place an order and input where their pickup location is and where the drop-off location is, so that you who is running the business can know how to deliver to their audience. Okay, that is why you need a website. Another thing you are going to really need is the right tools. Tools can be social media tools, tools can be website tools, can be any other thing that you're going to need that is going to help you to grow the business and operate the business properly. Okay, another thing you really need is ad budgets. When I say ad budget, I'm talking about advertising budget. Everything you're going to need that will help people to know that your business is existing. Everything you need to acquire new customers every day. You're going to need some money to spend at least in marketing. Okay, so keep that in mind. All of these things are the things you're going to really need to succeed in this business. As you can see, I put in the part where I say notes, you really need a website. Okay, now if you need any assistance around any of these, maybe for a business plan, you need someone to write a business plan, a good business plan for you, or maybe you need someone to help you build a website, then you can actually drop a message for me in the comment section, or you can watch this video to the end. I'll drop my email where you're going to send a message to me. All right, so let's go straight into the steps. Number one is that you need to understand the industry. This is one of the mistakes that a lot of people are making. They want to start a business, they don't have an idea, they don't understand how the business works, they just want to rush into the business. If you rush into any business, even if it's not logistic business, you are definitely going to fail. Okay, so you need to do research about how logistic business in Nigeria works. You need to understand, how do people succeed in the business? What are the pitfalls? What are the things you should avoid? You need to understand, what are the type of logistics business you want to run? How do you want to do it? Do you want to make it interstate? Do you want to make it a shipping business? Do you want to make it a corporate logistic business? Of course, you know that what we are talking about here now is the basic kind of logistic business, all right? The small scale kind of logistic business where you move products from place to place with bikes. Are you getting now? So you need to understand, what are the common challenges. So you need to understand, what are the common challenges in the business. All right. You also need to understand, who are your competitors. What are they doing that you need to do so that you can actually succeed in this business? So these are the basic things you need to understand. Number one, which is our first step, is that you need to understand the industry and how it works. So let's go to number two. Step number two is that you need to define your niche. Very, very important. You can start small by focusing on a specific area. Maybe you want to help e-commerce businesses to deliver stuffs. You can start with that. You can actually start with delivering food and grocery products, or maybe courier service where you deliver documents from point A to point B. All right, very important. Make sure to define your niche. That is step number two. Step number 3 is for you to go ahead and draft your business plan. Okay, this is very, 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 very important. In your business plan, you are going to include your target market. Who are your customers? Are they vendors? Are they corporate businesses? Are they singles, individuals? You need to define that in your business plan. Also, in your business plan, you should have your service area. Where do you want to cover? Do you want to cover just Lagos? Do you want to cover just Abuja? Or you want to cover just Port Harcourt? Or you want to cover the entire Nigeria? You need to fix or have that in your plan also. Another thing also you need to look at is the revenue model. How do you want to make money? Do you want to charge for delivery fees? Do you want to charge for subscriptions? So you need to make sure that all of these things are captured in your business plan. Now, like I said before, if you don't know how to write a business plan and you need someone to give you to write a good business plan for you, you can drop a comment for me in the comment section, or I'm going to drop my mail. You send me a mail to discuss how you're going to have your business plan done. That is step number 3. Step number 4 is that you go ahead and start with what you have. You can leverage technology. You can use free tools like Google Maps for navigation. You can use your WhatsApp. You can have your Instagram page, your Facebook page, and then you start talking to people. You can do your graphics, all right? Create a flyer and start talking to people and start moving product from point A to point V or point A to point B. You can partner with platforms like GIG Logistics, like Quick, to learn while you are earning. Okay, so this is the main thing. The major thing here is that you need to start. Okay, it's not enough to have all the knowledge. The major thing is to start. That is step number 4. Now, step number 5 is that you need to partner with other businesses. You have started your logistics. Let's imagine that you have started your logistic business. You have started moving product from place to place. What you need to do is to go ahead and keep collaborating. Collaborate with e-commerce businesses that need deliveries. Now, there are businesses that are always delivering every day, especially food vendors. If you are in Lagos, you know that delivering food is something that makes money every day, that will bring money every day. A lot of people are placing orders for food. So this is where you come in. You can start delivering food. All right. Another people you should partner with are logistic companies that want to move things from place to place. You can partner with vendors, you can partner with suppliers. Okay, that is number 5. Number 6 is for you to scale and grow. You need to scale and grow. Okay, as you're making money, when you start this business, you're going to make money. But as you start making money, it is important to reinvest in the business and grow the business. Another thing you should invest in is to hire more staffs. Okay, hire management staffs, hire people, hire more bikes, hire more dispatch guys. Are you getting now? If you can grow into an e-commerce company. So while you're running e-commerce business, you are actually pushing your logistic business. Okay, you can expand across states. Now let me say this, it is very important that while you're doing this business, you should start with one state. So when you grow, as you grow bigger, you can now expand to other neighboring states and to across Nigeria. Okay, so these are 6 steps that you can use to start a small scale logistic delivery business in Nigeria. All right. Now, lastly, before I end this video, in case you want to learn more about how you can actually start this business, or maybe you need a business plan, or maybe you need a website for your business, then you can send me a mail to this email that you see on your screen, or you can drop a comment in the comment section for me. I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss whenever I publish new videos. So that is all I'm going to take for this video. If you got value from this, make sure to do all of those things I've just requested that you do, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.